The problem with Industry 4.0 today: long machine implementation times, extended downtimes, and expensive software changes. The reason for this? Traditionally, machines have software that is limited. Limited because it does not control every state of the machine. PLC is individually programmed for a single machine, and this at the end of the engineering process. This means that the digital should fulfill the non-digital requirements of mechanical and electrical engineering. The consequence: information errors and copy errors occur over and over again. Systems become outdated and machines stop running. The machine software becomes a cost driver. SELMO solves this problem with the patented innovation of sequence logic modeling. SELMO provides a new standard for safe and reliable machine software. With SELMO, the software is at the beginning of the engineering and not at the end. SELMO Studio is the tool that models the process. It generates both PLC and human-machine interface, HMI, automatically, and it is 100% error-free every time. The benefits? The machine software is totally hardware independent and the structure easy to learn and operate. All signal states are always under control. The software always informs what the next step is, what needs to be done, and what is missing. SELMO makes every bit visible at any time. The SELMO standard can be used for both new build and for retrofit projects. The 3 steps to SELMO: digital standard, open for every machine; modeler tool, digitalization of the process description, step by step and bit by bit; creator tool, PLC and HMI are generated instantly, always error-free and always matching the standard. With the SELMO digital first principle, the software is the technological leader. Because the code is generated, we solve the problem of programming all machine states, which is impossible for humans. The advantages in detail: short implementation times, machines are digitally visible, every bit under control, constant and complete monitoring of the machine, easy to learn, easy to operate, functional changes are quick and simple. Do not take risks with your digitalization investment strategy. Rely on true automation for automation, right from the start. This is simple to do. Machine users: request machines according to SELMO and specify the SELMO standard. We will work directly with your supplier. Machine builders: you want to use SELMO yourself? Licensed partners are always very welcome. Keep the customer satisfied. PLC programmers: use SELMO as your tool. More completed projects in less time with less comeback. Contact us at any time. We'll show you how. SELMO, good times instead of downtimes.